Hi everyone. Today I have a photo shoot. It is a maternity slash family kind of photo shoot, and instead of using my normal Nikon DSLR gear, and I'm using something a little bit different today. And let me show you what it is first. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use today for the photo shoot. It's a pretty small backpack, a lot smaller than the camera bag that I usually use for photo shoot or shooting weddings. Now, what is inside it? Okay. Whoops. Okay, now this is what I have inside the bag. I have two Panasonic Lumix G9, so two of their pro body. One of them has a battery grip on it. And then I have the Leica 42.5. This is the f1.2 lens, beautiful portrait lens. I have the new 50-200 f2.8 to f4, also a Leica lens. And then I have two of the Olympus Pro lenses. This is the 17mm, and this is the 25mm f1.2 lens. Trying to get the focus. And I also put Olympus 714 2.8 lens here, which I probably won't use, but as you can see, because the camera bag, even though it's quite a small backpack, I still can't fill up the backpack, so I will just chuck it there. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, I got two pro body and 1 2 3 4 5 lenses, and yeah, still got quite a bit of space that I don't know what to put it here. I think that's the beauty of the Micro Four Thread system. You can put so many lenses and also the f1.2 lenses here, and it still doesn't fill up a small backpack. And another good thing is that you can have the lenses from Panasonic and Olympus, because they are both Micro Four Thread lenses, so you can use the lenses from two manufacturers. Okay, so I will tell you why I use this setup instead of my usual Nikon setup, but as usual, I'm a little bit late, so I will tell you that a little bit later in this video.
Ventilate it, never overload it, and clean the lint filter after each cycle.
Visit fireandemergency.nz.
Sue, Ray Morningside here. Install Panasonic Aircon and end the weather waffle at panasonicaircon.co.nz.
Hey Derek! Hey! How are you? What you got there? Hello! Let's go! Let's go across here. Let's see if it's easy to go down here. Oh, the area is blocked off. That's fine. We use all these trees over here instead, because I was thinking we could go inside. Yeah, that's pretty lovely area. But unfortunately,
that storm,
they broke it off. Yes. So we could still probably do it here. Yes. Let's take a few photos around here. Do you want photos now? Yes. With mommy? Want some photo with mommy? Yeah?
you try the camera later.
What do you want? Okay, you
have the
hold it.
camera.
You hold it. Okay, what about that? I let you. Okay, no, that's right. I let you hold the camera a little bit. I take a few photos of him playing with the camera. Just don't drop it. All right. So you two just stand in the back. Just look at him playing the camera. I think that's great. Yeah, that is good. Look at mommy. Where's mommy? Look at mommy. Yeah. That's fantastic. Oh. Okay, one more time. Oh, great. That's good. Okay, look at me, Sarah. That's good, beautiful. So what's the reason I did this photo shoot using Micro Four Thread system? I receive a lot of email and messages from my readers and my subscribers regularly asking if the Micro Four Thread system is good for professional work. So I thought the best way is actually do a photo shoot using Micro Four Thread camera and find it out myself.
That's good. Okay, let's play with this stick.
Yep, that's awesome. Yep. Now, there are actually a lot of pros and cons I could talk about and discuss. I can talk about it for an hour or even longer if I want to go through all of them. If you don't need like the ultimate low light performance or really like razor thin depth of field, using the Micro Four Thread system could make your life a lot easier because of the electronic viewfinder and all the other latest technology. And also you have a much smaller and lighter camera bag, so that's definitely one big advantage. If you are quite new to photography or you just start thinking about doing professional work, then the Micro Four Thread system is definitely a much easier system to use compared to the DSLR setup. So I'm going to show you some more photos from this photo shoot. Hope you enjoy this video and the photos. And if you have used Micro Four Thread system to do any professional work, I would love to hear from you and share with me some of your experience and comments. And what do you think about the Micro Four Thread system for professional work?